Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if the caps lock is reversed on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So basically when you are trying to type capital letters, it's going to be typing undercase letters. Let's fix it guys. All you have to do is tap the caps lock key on your keyboard one more time. So again tap the caps lock key. In same case, that might not be the caps lock button. You might have to press the shift key. So trying to tap the shift key if the caps lock key is not working. So caps lock key, that's probably the primary one. So just tap that one time and it should reverse to the capitalized various lowercase syntax format. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.